I did it, I did it, I did it. What did I do? I can't believe it. I'm trying to decorate for Christmas, and instead, I'm ending up painting the whole entire house. Why? Because I really wanted to look old print. Like really, really bad. And so, watch what I did today. This is the wonderful thing about Tom working from home. He fills the dishwasher and he empties the dishwasher, and sometimes he does the dishes in the kitchen. So this is a really nice thing because he works from home, and would you like to do a dance with that?
No, I think
And
I'm
he
just
can
doing
take
a
a
fine
break.
demonstration of how
It's very graceful. Did you know we have Ann Clay calendars out now? They're actually calendars from the inside of our house, or some of the famous prints that I have been making onto canvases are now on calendars. So check it out at www.annclaytheprimitivehome.com. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I'm back in the front room painting again. And wow, I've got a fire going again. I was just explaining to someone that I think my problem with migraines in the winter is from smoke, and I'm also allergic to wood. So that could be a big problem for me, but for right now, I'm okay. And so I'm continuing on. Today, I am going to paint this area, and you can see I started. I've been scared to paint this because this is really very pretty. And I'm like, oh, what am I doing? I'm ruining the room. But after looking at this, it is bringing it back to a very old feeling, and that's what I wanted. So we're gonna paint this. And I went ahead and took the curtains off the windows, and I am going to keep them bare too, because that of course is more authentic. So, ooh. You can see I've got all the furniture pushed up all together. It's a big mess. I really feel like there's way too much furniture in this room, like way too much furniture. But maybe I just have way too much furniture. Yeah. Maybe I should sell something. Anyway, here we go. I am going to take care of this, and so paint with me today. This is the hardest part to paint over because I think it looks so good, but I don't really want the white there, so I'm just going to paint it all over. It's interesting. Many of my doors in this house are what they called tomahawk doors. When they built this house, they were afraid of being attacked by the people, mind you, who they took the land from. But the doors were then made with, not with panels like this. So I do wonder about the age of this door, because 3 of the doors in this house are the tomahawk doors. Unless they had a door on the outside that protected this door, because this is a fancier door and it was the front entrance. Tomahawk doors have very thick wood and they go in 2 directions, sideways and up and down. And that was to keep the tomahawks from going through the door. So I'm assuming because they had windows, sorry, this is how I paint to keep my hair out of my paint too. I'm assuming because they had windows that when I have earbuds in, I hope I don't drop them in the paint. They had windows that they must have had shutters over the windows, because, you know, else how stupid to have glass windows right next to your doors that you're reinforcing to get in. And so this house was built in 1780. I don't know when King Philip's War was. Does anyone out there know when King Philip's War was? So the other thing is that a flaming arrow could have come in and burned down the place, right? And then who cares about the doors? I don't know. These are just some of the things I think about when I paint my house. I think about the people who lived here, what they did, what they were about, and why they did the things they did in their house. And what color could it have been originally? Now, we know that the early colonialists actually used a lot of bright paint. They did not paint in the dull colors we're painting in. They were all about being bright. And I have done bright paint in here. But you know what? I don't like how it looks. I like it dark. It grounds me. It makes me feel like it's old. But the truth is they used a lot of bright colors. That was how they decorated. They didn't have a lot of excess. They painted all their furniture and their woodwork and everything in bright colors, if they had it. I mean, the other thing is that many of these probably were wood. I think that people are different in the colors they need, because I get drawn in to these dark colors. It settles me. Whereas the bright colors, like what I'm wearing, it kind of gets me anxious, and I'm too ADD. I'm just too ADD.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging, each shining light, each silver bell. No one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
Bye.